Let us now study the method of polarization by double refraction. About double refraction, here we can write that there are some specific crystals, like you'll study about these crystals in chemistry in detail, about their chemical structure, like calcite, quartz, tourmaline, etc., which have some specific characteristics, like when a light is refracted through these, it splits into two rays of equal intensities with perpendicular vibrations. Like here you can understand it with the help of a diagram, like if an unpolarized light is incident on such crystals, say if this is a crystal and a light is incident at an angle of incidence I in which all the oscillations are present. Here this we can write as an normal light or unpolarized light. When this light is allowed to incident on the boundary of such a crystal, it splits into two rays, out of which one ray is the one which moves as it is without following the laws of refraction, and one ray is following the laws of refraction and it refracts according to Snell's law at an angle of refraction r, where I and r can be related by using Snell's law. Now this ray we term as ordinary ray, and this ray we call extraordinary ray or E ray. Now ordinary ray is the one in which the vibrations perpendicular to the plane of incidence are passed, and extraordinary ray is the one in which vibrations in the plane of incidence are passed. So this is the way how an unpolarized light splits into two polarized lights. So one will be the ordinary ray. In some cases ordinary ray is not completely polarized, it is partially polarized, but extraordinary ray is the one which is completely polarized. Now this is the reason because of which when such crystals light passes which is coming from an object and the object is seen from the other side, there are two images which can be seen. Like here you can see if this is a tourmaline crystal, and if there is an object and if a light ray is incident onto it, which is a normal light coming from the object, the E ray will pass as it is through the crystal without following the laws of refraction, and the O ray is refracted according to laws of refraction, and finally it is coming out. So if on the other side an observer is looking onto this crystal, then this observer will be able to see two images of this object corresponding to E ray and O ray. And when the crystal is rotated, then observer will see one image of object fixed which is corresponding to E ray, and the image of object corresponding to O ray will rotate about the first image. This is the way how we can explain why two images are seen and one image rotates in the surrounding of the other. Here we can write the ray are O ray, about which we can write it follows the laws of refraction, and the second one is E ray, about which we can write it does not obey laws of refraction. So as the light splits into two rays due to some chemical structure and specific characteristics of some crystals, this phenomena is called polarization by double refraction.